Orthographic projection. First angle projection. First angle projection is a method of drawing an object by means of plane views. You can see in the picture, it is not giving us a 3D block again. It is not in angles or in degrees, but it is just a plane view and in three main views, as we will learn more in this video. There are three main types of views or elevation. 1. The front view. 2. Side view. 3. Plan or top view. 1. Front view. Front view is the main view, which is obtained by looking at the front direction of the block, as you can see in this picture. The front view is looking in the direction of arrow A. That's the front view, so the shape there is giving us the front view. 2. Side view. The side view is obtained by looking at the side direction of the block, as we will see in this picture. The arrow looking in the direction of D and C is giving us the side view, so that shape there is the side view. Top or plan elevation. It is obtained by looking in the direction of the top view, that is vertically down on the object. As we see in this picture, the arrow looking in the direction of B is giving us the top or plan, so that shape we are seeing there is the top view or top elevation. Next is hidden detail. It is signified by short dashes, as we see in this picture. This is the top elevation, but in this picture we are seeing 3 blocks there and some dashes, so those dashes there are the hidden detail. So this is an example of first angle projection, as I've been teaching you in this picture. Here we can see the front view, which is at the top left side of the A4 paper. The top right side is giving us the side view, that is where we draw the side view, and below front view we have the top or plan elevation, and it is from this block we drew the first angle projection. There in my YouTube channel you will see or learn how we drew this block. So before you learn or watch other videos about first angle projection, I would love you to watch all my videos where I taught how to draw isometric projection of all the blocks there. So it's through those blocks that we will use to draw the first angle projection or teach you the first angle projection. So it's advisable that you watch my videos where I taught how to draw the asymmetric projection of these blocks. Then we use those blocks or we've drawn to draw the first angle projection and learn more about first angle projection. So as you can see, this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top. So it's only what we can see that we will draw. Notice this other side is giving us the side view, but we cannot see there, so we're not drawing that part. We are drawing only what we can see. Take note. I'm sure you did learn something from this video. So in my other videos in my channel, I'll teach you more on how to draw first angle projection and third angle projection. Remember, as the best in the game, we will always deliver. So stick to my channel, stay tuned, and watch out for more videos, more interesting and educative videos on first angle projection. So don't forget, I'm sure you learned something new from this video and you enjoyed it. Hit by like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.